So it's Monday, it's noisy. I have the CNC engraving a CA callback cover for a customer. I'm getting ready to make some Evo 7 air boxes. We have all the show stock ready to pack up and put away. I'm actually going to take a few photos, which is why I'm sort of procrastinating on that a little bit. And this morning's been a full-on morning with a absolute ton of orders packaged up to go out, and one freight company's already been and taken some. So this week we've got a few catch cans to build, a couple of products to catch up on, and a few things left over from last week that I didn't get to because of the All Asian Day car show on Friday. The car show actually was a great day. The weather was perfect and there were a lot of cars there. So a lot of old school RX-7s and good mix of cars, which was great to see. And with that, a really good mix of demographic, which is awesome to see in the car scene. So definitely an excellent show. And coincidentally, I was actually there next to a Toku garage, which is, as you guys know by now, a massive supporter of me. It was great to catch up with Sam from a Toku there. Thank you guys so much for spending this time with me, and I'll see you in the next one.